let me introduce you to the MarketScope. This is the best dashboard if you want an overall view of what's going on right now in the market and what's moving, and also does a great job of showing off what we have when it comes to different data types and different data visualizations. So quickly, right at the top, we have the biggest gainers and losers on the day, and they're scrolling by in real time. You can click on these at any time and have your chart kind of update with what's going on. Below this, we have a tree map, also known as a heat map, that has some options for what's moving at any given time. So this is showing me that View and Rita are very much up today. Still up pretty well is Tiger and all of these other types of names. Now these are up, changed from the close. I can change that, so that's changed from the open. This one is a little bit more interesting to me personally because I want to see from the opening print what's moving up right now. You can also do the change in the last 30 minutes and the change in the last hour. Down below here, we have a market race. So this is constantly showing you in real time what stocks are moving right now. The other one's a little bit more static. This one's a little more dynamic. So you can see it's always kind of rotating with what's moving very strong at the time. And then over here on the advance and decliners distribution, we have the ability to say how many stocks in the market are up today and by how much, and how many stocks are down in the market today by how much. And this does a really good job of going under the hood and showing what's going on there.